Hello guys, welcome sa aking YouTube channel, and for today's video ay tuturo ko kung paano mag-divide ng polynomials using long division. So bago tayo magsimula, please like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa susunod na tutorials. So tara, let's go. Number 1, 5x plus 2x squared minus 23 divided by x plus 5. Paano nga ba ito divide? Hindi siya nakasunod-sunod. So, kailangan muna natin siyang i-standard form. Yan, naka-standard form na siya. And now, let's divide it. Dito yung kanyang divisor. X plus 5 divided by 2x squared plus 5x minus 23. So ito yung dividend tapos ito yung divisor. Paano siya i-divide? So divide na natin. X divided by 2x squared is equal to 2x. Tanggal lang yung isa. And 2x times x is 2x squared. And 2x times 5x is equal to 10x. I-minus natin siya. So wala na to. 5 minus 10 is equal to negative 5x. Ibaba natin yung 23. Bring down 23. Next step. Negative 5x divided by x is equal to 5. So since negative 5 siya. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And negative 5 times 25 is negative 25. Now i-minus natin siya. Wala na to. Negative 23 minus negative 25 is positive 2. So ito yung tinatawag natin na remainder. At ito ang ating quotient. 2x minus 5. Let's proceed sa number 2. 12x cubed minus 20x squared plus 11x minus 14 divided by x minus 2. So since magkakasunod na naka-standard form na siya, di-divide na natin siya. X minus 2 divided by 12x cubed minus 20x squared plus 11x minus 14. Now let's divide it. X divided by 12x cubed is equal to 12x squared. Naging squared na siya. And 12x squared times x is equal to 12x cubed. And 12x squared times negative 2 is equal to negative 24 squared. Wala na to. Ma-minus natin siya. Negative 20 minus negative 24 is 4x squared. And now ibaba natin yung 11x, positive 11x. Now 4x squared divided by x is equal to 4x. And 4x times x is 4x squared. And 4x times negative 2 is equal to negative 8. x. Minus natin ulit siya. Mawawalan to. 11x minus negative 8x is equal to positive 19x minus 14. Next step. 19x divided by x is positive 19. And positive 19 times x, 19x. And 19 times negative 2 is negative 38. Minus na natin siya. 24. So, ito yung ating quotient. At ito yung ating remainder. Paano siya isulat? Yung quotient tapos yung remainder. Ganito lang. 12x squared plus 4x plus 19. Then maglalagay ng plus. Ito yung ating remainder. 24 over yung ating divisor x minus 2. Ganito lang siya isulat. Next, number 3. 8x cubed plus 27 divided by 2x plus 3. So, hindi siya naka-standard form. Wala siyang x squared plus yung x. So, i-insert natin. Mag-i-insert tayo ng mag-i-insert tayo ng 0 as coefficient. So, let's go. Yung divisor, 2x plus 3 divided by 8x squared cube pala plus yung insert na natin 0x squared plus 0x plus 27. Let's go. 8x cubed divided by 2 is equal to 4x squared. And 4x squared times 2x is equal to 8x squared. And 4x squared times 3 is positive 12x squared. Mawawalan to, minus natin. 0 minus 12 is equal to negative 12x squared. And now, ibababa natin yung 0x plus 0x. Divide naman natin. Negative 12x squared divided by 2x is negative 6x. And negative 6x times 2x is equal to negative 12x squared. And negative 6x times 3 is equal to negative 18 squared. 18x lang pala. Mawawalan to, i-minus natin. So 0 minus negative 18 is 18 x plus 20 and i-bring down natin yung 27. And now 18x divided by 2x is positive 9. And 9 times 2x is equal to 18x. And 9 times 3 is equal to 27. So mawawala, minus natin, mawawala na to and 0. Wala siyang remainder. Ito ang ating quotient. Therefore, ito yung ating quotient. 4x squared minus 6x plus. So thank you guys for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo. Please like, share, and subscribe.